Okay, in this problem we want to find the equation of the tangent line to the graph of f of x equals 3 over x at this point. So we're going to need two things, the slope and the point. So actually we're given the point, we're given the x and y value already, so we just need to find the slope by finding the derivative. Okay, so to find the derivative, we're going to need to rewrite this as 3 times x to the negative 1 so that we can use the power rule. So then f prime of x would be the derivative of this. So we're going to bring down that negative 1 out front, so the coefficient will become negative 3, x to the power of minus 2. So that's the general derivative, but we actually need the derivative at negative 8. Okay, that's the point at which we're finding the slope of the tangent line. So we need f prime of negative 8. So I'm going to plug in negative 8, and now we want to get an exact answer, so I'm going to need to write that without this negative exponent. So I'm going to write it as negative 3 divided by negative 8 all squared to make it easier to understand, because we know that negative 8 squared is 64, and that's not going to reduce. So that's my slope of my line at negative 8, or m. So using the point slope form of a line, y minus y1, so y minus negative 3/8 is y plus 3/8 equals the slope, negative 3 over 64, times x minus negative 8, or x plus 8. And then in my math lab, it's already got it solved for y, so we need to simplify this and solve for y. So I'm going to move this 3/8 to the right, and I'm going to distribute this negative 3/64 to get negative 3/64 x. Then negative 3/64 times 8 would be minus 24/64, and then minus the 3/8. That's that 3/8 right there. Okay, so now it's just a simplifying game. Okay, we need a common denominator here. 24 over 64, yeah, we can reduce that to something over 8, because we can take an 8 out of both 24 and 64. So 24 divided by 8 is 3. 64 divided by 8 is 8. And so then I can combine those two, the last two fractions, to get negative 6 over 8. Well, we just keep going. So negative 3/4. Okay, so y equals negative 3/64 x minus 3/4. There we go. Hopefully that helped you out on that question.